This is Riding on the Train by Eloise Greenfield. Riding on the train. I see fences and fields, barns and bridges, stations and stores, trees, other trains, horses and hills, water tanks, towers, streams, old cars, old men, roofs, raindrops crawling backwards on the window. I hear ruggedy ruggedy, squeakety squeakety, rumbly rumbly, woo woo, Wilmington. I feel my leg jiggling, my bottom bouncing, my shoulders shaking, my head rolling. I'm getting sleepy. This poem is best for students in grades 3 through 5, and it has a Lexile measure of NP, which means non-prose. Something unique about this poem or distinctive is that it really plays upon imagery. The first section is I see, and it talks about things that they see. The other sections are I hear, and of course it has onomatopoeia, and it's a lot of sound words. And then it also says I feel, and so the reader or the listener can truly imagine themselves on this train. Another thing is the way Wilmington is said, and also the way sleepy is displayed. That's very unique. This book would be great for a lesson on imagery and even onomatopoeia due to the sound words. It could also be used for history lessons discussing transportation in the past. Trains changed America completely, and it could also be used in history for Black History Month or to discuss African American heritage and culture in America.